Finally, my package are arrived. Let's open this. Open it up. Please handle with care. Don't worry. I'll handle it very care like I handle her heart. Okay, this is from Lazmall or Lazada, and I bought it for 235 rupees. No, this is my address, don't. And this is Xiaomi power bank 2C fast charging 20,000 mAh. Okay, let's open it up. It's so sticky, man. Sticky. Gotcha. Lazada. Lazada. Xiaomi power bank, Mi Power Bank 2C. There is a thumb logo here. This is member of Erajoy Group, authorized ecosystem distributor, 6 months warranty. Okay, we have 6 month warranties. What is it? It's a caution. Lithium-ion batteries do not load or transport. Okay. This is the specification. 20,000 mAh Mi Power Bank 2C, cell capacity 20,000 mAh, 3.7 volt. Okay. It's overpack. I don't know what it means. What is overpack? And this, what is it? This is okay, I know. Is if we use this power bank to charge on Mi A1, it would be for 3 times full charge. On iPhone 7 it will be 7 times full charge, and on the iPad mini 4 it will be 2.5 full charge. Okay, what is this? Okay, this is Mi Verify. Scratch for a security code. Okay, let's scratch. Scratch. Wait. Okay, this is the code. If you go to this web, www.mi.com/verify, and then slash this code 52129 till 05, you will see that this things is original, and this things is really original, not fake. Okay, this is 2-way fast charging, then polymer battery and tight slap scratch resistant. Okay, let's open this up. Man, this is hard. Wow. What do we got here? Okay, the first is actually the power bank itself. The design is simple. I like it. This is okay. Yeah. I've read it before. Where is the button? This is the logo here. You can see. This is it's true. And then this is the button. Oh, okay, this only left 2. It means it only a half of its capacity. So we also got this manual user manual for this hardware. Yeah, I read it. I will read it later. And okay, this is security code. Scratch here. We already scratched it. And then we got the USB here for charge. Okay. That's all we got from this Mi power bank. I will try to charge it later after this video. Okay, thank you, and then see you.